Hello friends, welcome to learning generating fabrication models from the Revit mechanical system. So far we have discussed how to import architectural model into mechanical MEP model, how to link those two models, and how to set up for the workset. We have also discussed about how to set up the views and creating custom tags for the detailing. Now we will use the ChemDuct software, and we will use Revit ChemDuct connection and ChemDuct user interface. We will see. So we will see this topic, that is reviewing the ChemDuct databases. So I am in the Revit, and in the Revit, first of all I will be use this project browser somewhere about here, and I will be go to the view tab, and that is the option of user interface. So I'm clicking on user interface, and then after here that is the option of MEP fabrication part. So basically MEP fabrication part is used for the fabrication purpose. So it will be display all the connection, all the joints, and in the short movie as well you can see that how the connection of the ducting and the fabrication is ready for applying. So I'm clicking on MEP fabrication parts, turn on this option. So it will be turn on this tool palette, in that all the fabrication parts are now displayed. So we are right now using HVAC general supply. Obviously you can go to the system tabs and fabrication, and you can use or you can add any one of the configuration at here as well, okay, by clicking on reload configuration. So right now I am using HVAC general supply, and here there are some of the types of the connections. So rectangular, these are some rectangular connections. Then after we have rounded, so these are the rounded connection as well. Then after we have inline equipment, we have end of line equipment, and finally we have hangers. So we will go to the rectangular, and we are right now using the strip. Okay, so we will also review all this information into the standard form. So I am selecting this duct, and here there is option of optimize length, because of, as you can see, the length of the duct is 3.248 meter. So on the site it is not practically possible. You have to separate, or you have to disconnect the duct with a standard length of the duct. So I am selecting this duct, and here there is option of optimize length. So I am clicking on optimize length. So as you can see, my duct has been broken into a standard length. Right now it is showing 1400. So we want to change these values so that we can have the proper idea. So let's say if I want to use the values to 1500, and we will see whether how this change apply to this duct length or not. Okay, here I am also applying the go to the tag command or TG, and clicking on this, and selecting this, and go to the duct length tag. So we will review the ChemDuct software. So I have opened Autodesk ChemDuct software. Obviously you can go to the Google and search for Autodesk ChemDuct 2021, and you can download the software, and you can install the software, and you can follow the same procedure which I am right now doing. So here there are default configurations are already loaded: Imperial, Metric, Revit MEP content for the Metric and Imperial both. So I am using Metric generic content version 7.06. Obviously by day versions may be increased. In that I am clicking on create blank job. So it has been created a blank job for me, and in that I am clicking on quick takeoff. So here, as you can see, there are list of the same standards or same equipments which I have seen in Revit as well. Okay, so I'm clicking on rectangular, and I'm using my rectangular straight duct. So once I will be click at here, it will be pop up the view, plan view, and it will be also shows the all the information related to this content. In that I am clicking on specification, and as you can see the standard length is 1400. So instead of 1400, I am right clicking at here, edit, and let us say standard straight length is 1450 millimeter. Simply click on close 1450. Okay. Do you want increment version? Right now I don't want increment version, so no. And we will go to the Revit and click on settings, and we will reload all the configuration. So reload configuration. Right now, as you can see, still it is showing me the 1400 millimeter length, but if I am clicking on reload configuration, it will be take some little bit time in order to reload all the configuration. Click on close and click on OK. Now if I will select this optimized length, and if I will select this, select this one, as you can see length is 1450. So we will apply the tag as well. Instead of bottom up duct, we will use duct length. So it has been created the duct for this top one. So for top one, it has been created a standard length that is 1450 millimeter, and the rest thing is remaining. Whatever the length will be there, so that length will be remaining. So similarly, you can also apply the same approach at here as well. So what you can do, you can select and go to the design to fabrication option, general supply, okay. And now what you can do, you can simply select this optimized length, and as you can see, if I will be applied the tagging, and we will use tagging duct length. As you can see, standard length 1450 millimeter has been applied. So in this video we have seen how to turn on the MEP fabrication part from the user interface of the Revit, and then after we have also seen some basic introduction about the CAMDUCT software, and in that we have changed some of the parameters. Obviously this is one example I'm just showing you, but you can play with all the options, all the different configurations, all the different standards. Those who are already in the HVAC system, they can be understand this one very well, so they can be set up according to their company standards and use this software according to their company standard as well. So my intention is just to showing the workflow, method of workflow that we have to do in the software. Obviously you can do the configuration according to your needs as well. So in this video we have discussed about reviewing the CAMDUCT databases in the Revit and in the CAMDUCT software. Now in the next video we will completing the fabrication Revit model by applying all the duct converted into the design duct, design to fabrication, and then optimize its length and applying all the annotations. And finally we will completing this topic by exporting the system into the sheets, exporting this drawing into the sheet. So we will meet on the next video with the complete all the things in the Revit fabrication model.